I want to show you an incredibly easy recipe that you can make for your entire family. This is something that we teach in our level 1 course, which is all about savory food. Now I have just some, these are oyster mushrooms, and these are very inexpensive. This entire batch cost me like €1. You just rip these in half, and now we're going to be making fried chicken tenders. I'm just going to drop these in a little bit of cornstarch. Then I have a batter here. These are all gluten-free, so this is actually using rice flour instead of any flour that has gluten in it. And then normally we use breadcrumbs, but instead of breadcrumbs we have cornflakes. So I'm just going to coat this all up and then drop this in to my vegetable oil. Oh, and I almost forgot to mention, in the batter here, I put a bouillon cube. This is chicken flavoring. There's no chicken in there. It's all vegan, but it tastes like chicken. So it's gonna fool you and your family and friends that you think it's just like chicken. Now, it doesn't have any of the health risks associated with chicken. You know, a lot of times they have to give the chickens a lot of antibiotics. People are worried about that for their health. There's also no cholesterol in here. These are much lower cost. But at the end of the day, we know that too much animal protein can give us cancer. They're so crispy. So now remember, these are a win-win-win. Why? They're less expensive. They're healthier for you. They're better for the environment. They have no animal products in there. Oh, and I almost forgot, these are gluten-free. So all you need to do is get your favorite sauce. I have some barbecue sauce here, or even some ketchup. Be careful, they might be really hot. Chicken tenders at home, gluten-free, no animals harmed, and incredibly delicious. Use these in a sandwich, on top of pasta or rice, or just in a good old chicken basket. So in these times when we're going through a lot of fear and anxiety, and you might want to run off and have some comfort food, whether it be at KFC or Farm Basket, you can actually make a completely vegan and much healthier version for you and your family within the safe confines of your own home, and still have fantastic taste and crunch. Now, if you want this recipe, all you have to do is email me, because you and I are going to be more social. In this new day and age, we're going to have a relationship. You have to start by emailing